How to post pictures and videos on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you are signed in. Now, in order to make a post, either it's a video or a picture, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen, and here, tap on the plus icon on the top left of your screen. Here you will see a bunch of options, so in order to make a post, you can simply tap on the post option you see there, and further go ahead and choose your photo or the video that you are looking forward to post. Now, tap on the next option on the top right of your screen, or if you want to select multiple pictures to post, you can tap on the select option you see there and make multiple pictures to post. Once you are done selecting your pictures, tap on the next option on the top right. You can then go ahead and add in audio, text, overlay, filters, and edit your picture if you want. Once you are done making the required changes, tap on the next option on the bottom right of your screen, and now go ahead and add in a caption to your post if you want, and if not, then it is completely fine. You can then go ahead and tap on the tag people option you see there if you want to tag someone, or if you want to add location, you can tap on the add location option there. Once you are done making all the required changes, simply tap on the share option on the bottom, and with this, if you refresh your page, as you can see, the post has been made. So this was about how you can post pictures and videos on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.